Are you an SQL developer and wanted to scale up to next level? Then which technology is best for us, for SQL developers? Let's evaluate the possible options in this very short video. This is Sai Pranindra from SQL School, and over 19 years of technical expertise completely into Microsoft technologies, serving thousands and lakhs of customers and hundreds of companies worldwide across the globe for both live online, in-house and corporate trainings. Let me put my points. Let's evaluate the options to skill up our profile from SQL Developer to the next level. You may choose DevOps, Data Engineer, Power BI or Fabric. 4 different options. And as you know, majority of the DevOps operations are slowly getting automated thanks to AI tools. I said thanks in a positive sense, okay? And we have Azure Data Engineer, my hot favorite. Good amount of options, great number of technologies. If someone looking for the next level technical skill set in their resume, data engineer is the first preferred choice for SQL developers. Reason number 1, you have ETL development. Reason number 2, data warehouse development. Reason number 3, PySpark, Scala, SQL operations. And reason number 4 is big data. Next journey, the next future of data. If someone don't want to go for kind of Scala, PySpark coding activities, then they can do Power BI development activities. There is minimal amount of scripting, Power Query, DAX, but yes, you can easily manage it with good amount of colorful user interface. Fabric development. But again, stepping into Fabric is a Monday plate that has Data Engineer main course and Power BI desert. I mean it, as simple as that. Fabric is the latest trending technology from Microsoft that includes data engineering and Power BI blended together. We do offer Fabric course at our school, and the prerequisites, the dark box right here and the red box. Those 2 are the prerequisites. Out of all these options, my first preference would be, out of all these possible options, keeping in mind certifications, keeping in mind the job roles, keeping in mind 3, 4, 5 years plan down the line, my first priority is Azure Data Engineering. Second priority, Power BI Developer. And why we need to choose our school? Step by step practical trainings will touch the base, actual base of our classes from the concepts perspective with examples. Detailed curriculum, dependency concepts. There will be a flow, a meaningful flow from one concept to another. Why, what, how, when, to the point, straight to the point, bullet points with examples. Good amount of assignments, task items. Any course you choose, you see the matured content handling activities. One example, multiple concepts, one example, and vice versa. Concept-wise FAQs and answers, weekly case studies, project work, resume guidance, mock interview, part of the course. And above all, a meaningful transition from your existing SQL developer profile to the new world. In terms of resume, in terms of examples, in terms of everything technically. Choose our school for your individual trainings or onboarding of your company, project planning and project consulting activities. We do our best. For data engineering, Power BI, Fabric, I would be the trainer. You can reach me on my number directly or on LinkedIn, or you may reach our team for free demo session. You may contact us any of these portals, either LinkedIn or WhatsApp, anything. Glad to assist you. I promise you once again, sessions would be completely into practice zone with good amount of assignments, good amount of scenario based activities, FAQs, handouts to be provided in advance. Either you go for live or self-paced, either of them, you have the printed copy of your notes with you in advance. You get it ready. I need to deliver the things technically on the screen. You feel it, you do it, and you get it before the next class. So back to traditional learning methodologies with step-by-step full hands-on activities. No compromise. Further, if our interviewer asks us about scenarios, limitations, project work, our skill set and job roles specifically for the project, challenges, daily job routine activities with respect to the project, we have a straightforward, simplified, practical, real-world answer from our classes. And the last point, there are few more reasons to choose our beautiful SQL school. We assess the participants before and during the course. Yes, we do conduct assignments. Firstly, we have 3 demo class. Okay? After attending the demo class, we'll be providing you assignment on email. Participants would go through that question paper, assignment, submit their answers, and then we'll proceed for the actual registration process after assessing the participant. So we care a lot, literally a lot about every participant. Come on, we value your time, we value your money. Participants who do more need to be awarded more and more. It's our moral duty. You love the subject, we love you. Future loves us. Lifelong access to our technology update launch, wherein weekends, not every weekend, but now and then, weekends will be hosting free webinars on latest technology updates in Azure Cloud, Power BI Cloud, Fabric Cloud, etc. We have good footprint on training methodologies. Come on, let's admire them. Let's understand. Let's implement these items slowly, step by step. With this, we'll stop for now. I request you, the interested participants, I know you are interested, hence you are watching this video till the end. Appreciate it, really appreciate it. Call us for freedom or reach me directly on my contact number available over here in this slide or link. Let's discuss more about your resume plan. Let's discuss more about the details of our course. See you soon in our live sessions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you once again.